Cutting a twin mortise and tenon can be challenging, but using this spacer method can reduce machine setup time and increase consistency. Start by measuring the thickness of the mortising chisel and create a set of spacers of the same thickness. With this method, once the marking gauge is set, it will not need to be changed again. Instead of adjusting the marking gauge for each layout line, spacers of the same thickness as the mortising chisel are added to create the correct spacing between the mortise lines. The process on the tenon side is the same, where a spacer is added or removed each pass instead of adjusting the marking gauge. At the mortiser, once the machine is adjusted, it won't need to be changed again. Instead of adjusting the fence, 2 spacers are slipped in against the fence to align the second cut. At the table saw, the dado blade is set to the same thickness as the mortising chisel and the spacers. Once the tenoning jig is set, spacers are added in pairs to properly space the tenons, and once again, there is no need to adjust the fence. This method has reduced the number of setups to cut this joint in half and can save time if used in the correct circumstances. What are some ways you might use spacers? This is just one way to lay out and cut a twin mortise and tenon.